Imagine you have a life insurance policy, carefully planning for your loved ones, but then life takes an unexpected turn. What happens to that financial safeguard if the person you named to receive the benefit is no longer with us? It is a crucial question that many policyholders ponder. Generally, if your primary beneficiary dies before you do, and you have not named a contingent or secondary beneficiary, the death benefit from your life insurance policy will likely be paid to your estate. This means the funds would become part of your overall assets, subject to your will and potentially probate processes. The reason this occurs lies in how beneficiary designations work. When you set up a life insurance policy, you typically name a primary beneficiary who is first in line to receive the payout. However, life is unpredictable, and sometimes the primary beneficiary passes away before the policyholder. If this happens and you haven't designated a contingent beneficiary, the insurance company has no named individual to pay. Without clear instructions, the policy's terms usually dictate that the death benefit then reverts to the policyholder's estate. This ensures the funds are dispersed, albeit through a potentially longer legal process, rather than remaining unclaimed. Having a contingent beneficiary acts as a backup, stepping in if the primary cannot receive the funds. To avoid your life insurance payout going to your estate and potentially delaying distribution, the most important step is to always name a contingent beneficiary. This individual or entity acts as a second-in-line recipient if your primary beneficiary is unable to receive the death benefit. Furthermore, it is vital to regularly review your beneficiary designations, especially after significant life events such as marriage, divorce, births, deaths, or major changes in relationships. A simple annual check-in can make all the difference in ensuring your wishes are honored. Understanding the distinction between per stirpes and per capita designations can also provide an extra layer of control over your legacy. A per stirpes designation means that if a named beneficiary dies, their share of the death benefit would then pass to their descendants. On the other hand, a per capita designation means the death benefit would be divided equally among only the surviving named beneficiaries. These specific terms allow for tailored distribution plans, ensuring your beneficiaries are taken care of precisely as you intend, even across generations. Proactive and thoughtful beneficiary planning for your life insurance policy is paramount. By taking the time to name not only primary but also contingent beneficiaries, and understanding distribution methods like per stirpes or per capita, you can prevent potential delays and complications. This careful planning ensures that your financial protection reaches the hands of those you intend it for, providing peace of mind and honoring your legacy exactly as you envisioned.